command task is a task where you are nominated as a commander, and since you are nominated as a commander for the first time, because till now you have been just doing what? You have been working in a group. As a group member, so everybody has the same say. A lot of people are there to apply ideas. So as a group, you are able to tackle the task. In case somebody is little stuck, somebody else is there to handle the situation. But when it comes to command task, now the onus is on you. अब आप responsible हैं as to how you are going to conduct the task. हर एक चीज़ किस तरह से आप ध्यान में रखते हैं, how you take care of all the rules, how you are very particular about your helping material, how you keep in mind कि मेरे को किस helping material की कहाँ पे ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है, किस तरह से आप जितने आपके टीममेट्स हैं उनका सही इस्तेमाल करते हैं, what is your own body language, how you communicate with them, how you express your ideas, how you execute the ideas, how is the execution, is it flimsy kind of a very casual kind of approach, or you are very particular, sincere and focused in doing the task. All these things matter a lot. And what happens? It all matters when you do a practice on the ground. So you can see that we have got all the structures which are generally required in the command task. So this is the command task area of our Centurion, and the different kind of command tasks which you get in the SSB, whether it is start line, finish line, or the circular ones where you get to defuse the bomb, where it becomes little challenging. Those kind of structures are also there. The start line, finish line, number of structures. So you get the real experience along with the teammate. And I'm here to guide you how to go about it. My approach here is not to train you in creating those half bridges. My endeavor here is to fine-tune your personality, do that real personality development and mentoring, so that you are able to do the task in whatever situation and whatever kind of structure is given to you. Once you have understood the basics and you know how to conduct yourself. So conducting this task and conducting yourself both will be taught to you. Good morning. So what's your name?
Good morning, sir. So my name is Adarsh Tiwari.
Adarsh.
Yes, sir.
You're from which place, Adarsh?
Sir, I am from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh.
Very good. So, and what's your father doing?
So my father is an ex-serviceman and currently he's a government teacher.
Okay, so that's very good. Post-retirement, he's utilizing his experience
Yes,
and time.
sir.
Very nice. And so you're going for India entry.
Yes,
your
sir.
First time?
Yes, sir.
First attempt?
Yes, sir.
And first time you cleared your India?
Yes, sir.
Plus 2 abhi kiya clear?
No, sir. I am 12th appearing.
12th appearing, that's fantastic. Very good. So you've done your studies from Unnao itself?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And what I've seen of you till now, that you have that spark, right?
Thank you, sir.
You are generally on the right lines. Now I want you to do the task in a better way.
Yes, sir.
Remember that conduct process अच्छे से करके दिखाना,
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
And got to speak.
Yes,
चीज़
sir.
को deliberately बोल के अच्छा execution दिखाना है.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So how much did you score in your 10th and 12th?
Sir, 95.8 in 10th and I'm currently in 12th.
So you're good in studies also.
Yes, sir.
Generally, and what all games you have played?
Sir, I have played volleyball, football, and in indoors I have played chess and carom.
That's fantastic. Good profile. So
Yes,
you have
sir.
been able to balance out your studies as well as your outdoor activities.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Come. So now you are the commander.
Yes, sir.
So I'll call you commander.
Yes, sir.
And go there. So this is your task. Look at the structures, look at the helping material. Any question?
No, sir.
So who are you going to call as your teammates?
Sir, I am going to call chest number 59 and chest number 100.
Why is 59 and 100?
Sir, 59 is pretty good in execution and 100 helps to carry out the things and loads. He performs very well while carrying the loads and all.
Okay, good. So the moment they come, your time will start.
Okay, sir.
Okay, call them.
Chest number 59, chest number 100, please come here. A very warm welcome, teammates. I am your commander and this is our task. You could look at our helping materials. So let's start. First we'll go there with the use of plank to that blue square. Carry out the load. You place the plank over there. And we can just come here. You can also come, both of you. So this is the white square. Just come over. So one could stand here.
Okay, you can assume there is one more platform on the other side.
Just go there, the other platform. You can come over here. Now we'll
नज़दीक में
create
खड़े
the
होना
half.
है. Stay closer to the structure. Yes.
Now we'll create the half bridge to the next side using the plank and the rope. Please carry the load.
अभी देख लो, एक छोटे से काम में तुमने 2 मिनट लगा दिए.
Yes.
This is what I'm telling you. You learn to execute it properly. Damn it. Now how many will move?
Move forward. We'll move. Two of us can move forward.
So be more vocal and clear. Chest number 59, please move. Go there
Yes.
and stand on that platform.
Moving. Please just. Now we'll open up the rope and pass the plank to me.
Now where have you kept the balli?
So between my foots.
I hope I have not kept it on the platform.
No, sir.
Okay. Come on, tie it fast now.
Just please make the process fast. Now, after the rope, we just make sure we need to keep the plank, and this would be our back support. Just help him out. Give me the bit. Make it little bit in between and a little bit inside. Make sure. Can you go from there?
Can you go क्या होता है? You're not
Sir.
sure?
I'm asking that this.
तो बोलो. Please go.
Please go. Yes. It's stable, you can go. You can also go. Please carry the belly. Now I'll pass you the plank and you could just create the bridge over from there. Just create the bridge over from there. The half bridge, yes. A little bit more forward. You both stand over there.
Okay, very good. Teammates, please
Thank
keep the helping material back and commander come here.
Thank you, gentlemen,
Bolero.
for your help.
Yeah, good. So now you have understood कि किस तरह से conduct करना है.
Yes, sir.
How you have to talk to them. And basic जो शुरू में आप गलती कर रहे थे,
Yes, sir.
be very particular before you do anything.
Okay, sir.
जैसे मैंने बताया color change, then you should have thought कि अब इस पे
We
नहीं रख
have to
सकते.
remove that. Yes, sir.
हटाना था, वहाँ से बनाना था. Small things.
Yes, sir.
But these small things indicate a lot about you.
Okay, sir.
So that shows how particular you are, how focused you are, and how serious you are about the task,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It improves the overall conduct
Yes, sir.
and gives that confidence to the GTO. Yeah, this man, this boy is a person who is particular about things. He follows the rules, good sense of responsibility. He has the ideas. That is what he is looking at,
Yes, sir.
right? So now let me tell you others that you are a boy with good mannerism. आपके
you, sir.
संस्कार अच्छे नज़र आ रहे हैं, आपके expressions अच्छे हैं, your body language is very positive, and you know the ideas also now.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm pretty sure that you will be able to crack the NDA in first attempt itself,
Thank you, sir.
right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
now you have picked up all the nuances, and keep working hard.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा जो fragile से दिख रहे हो,
Yes, sir.
अभी भी महीना है,
Yes, sir.
तो अब क्या करना है? आप अपने थोड़ा प्रोटीन डाइट, so lot of push-ups, sit-ups,
Okay, sir.
running and protein.
Yes, sir.
कौन से प्रोटीन? चना है, कुरे हुए चने हैं, इस तरह के जो घरेलू वाले जितने आपके प्रोटीन्स हैं वो इनटेक बढ़ाना है। सुबह 1 घंटा अच्छी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करनी है सो दैट यू गेन लिटिल मोर weight
Okay, sir.
and some muscles also.
Yes,
That makes you look good, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So work on that and go do well in the SSB
Yes.
and give us the good news.
Yes.
All the best. God
Thank you,
bless
sir.
Carry on.
अगर देश की वर्दी पहनना है आपका भी सपना, तो आपकी मंजिल तक पहुंचाने के लिए सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी है आपके साथ, जो है डिफेंस एग्जाम्स की सफलता में एक भरोसेमंद नाम। यहां आपको मिलता है बेस्ट मेंटर्स का मार्गदर्शन, रेगुलर क्लासेस, एक्सटेंसिव स्टडी मटेरियल, एक्सपीरियंस्ड एसएसबी एक्सपर्ट से ट्रेनिंग, लार्जेस्ट जीटीओ ग्राउंड, वीकली मॉक टेस्ट और रेगुलर डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लासेस जैसी कई सुविधाएं, ताकि आपकी डिफेंस प्रिपरेशन हो पूरी A to Z। तो फिर देर किस बात की है? सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी वेलकम करती है हर उस एस्पिरेंट को जिसने देखा है सपना देश सेवा और रक्षा का। अभी एनरोल कीजिए हमारे कोर्सेज में और टॉप AIRS की तरह ही दीजिए अपनी मेहनत को एक विनिंग बूस्ट।